How to create Iflix account for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to create your Iflix account for free, you've come to the right place. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is download the application. If you haven't done that, head over to your app store and download it now. Once you have the app installed, go ahead and open it. As soon as you open the Iflix app, you'll see a user-friendly interface. This is where the fun begins. Look for your account on the bottom right. Tap on it. Now tap on login, and then you will be prompted to join with your Facebook, your Google, or your phone or email. Suppose I choose to log in with my Gmail. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.